she goes. Build a home here, and then got riding trails out the back to continue my riding videos and stuff. But this is my little Mini I bought. Doing some clearing here because I'm going to put a shop. You can kind of see the flags back there. I just going to mark where my shop's going to be. Some staked out where the actual house is going to be, but this requires me to take down a few more trees. So I should have got this on video. I just shoved this one over with my Mini. So this is a 3.5 ton. I think it comes in at about 8,700 pounds. I got 110 hours on it or so. No complaints. It's been a real good unit. I bought this at Kubota. Hold on. Bought this at Kubota. It was about close to $15,000 less than a comparable model. It's got a Yamaha engine in it, 24 horsepower. No complaints, good machine, plenty of power. I'll try to see if I can push down some trees with it. Here's a little thing I just did, so let's get in it and start her up and see how she does. Filming with a phone, so it might not be the best footage, but so here we go. Bought the full cab, has a radio.
It was on the radio in it.
Listening to 80s. So down here we got the thumb with the foot pedal. This one right here, this foot pedal on this side, pivots us back and forth. And you got your standard down, up, stick out, stick in. So let's see what we can do one-handed right here. So blade down, give it a quick little shove. And there she goes. 2 trees down. Got a few more things to do. It's kind of hard to control it with and film with the phone at one time, but it's been a really good machine for me, and I have had no complaints yet. So we'll do a little walk around. So it's a Sany. Not very many views of these things on YouTube. So it's got a 24-inch dig out bucket. Also came with a clean out bucket, which I have right here, 36-inch clean out bucket. But yeah, no problem pushing these size trees over. I don't know how to compare the size. I guess it's a size 11 shoe. But yeah, no complaints. I'll do a full review on it where I can show you exactly how much it can lift and stuff like that. I'll have to get a camera out here that I can actually set down so I can use it. But looks like I gotta move some trees before I can get out of here. So, alright, I'll post some more videos soon. Like and subscribe. Bye.